Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today's topic is Skill Boost Arcade Google Cloud. Okay, so when you will receive the arcade swags of 2025 season 1. So today we will discuss about that. Okay, so this is season 2 2025. Okay, now going on. Okay, so we will discuss about season 1, when we will receive the swags and when we will get the swags. Okay, so let's go on email. So this is an email that you have received your order, okay, from the printers. Okay, so you can see here now I have win the novice swags. Okay, in the 2024 season 1 I have received the premium milestone, which I will paste the photo on the screen. You can see now I have achieved the novice milestone. Okay, so in this novice milestone I will get this much swags. Okay, so let's go on my order. Okay, so here is an this. Okay, so Google Cloud Arcade price counter. Okay, from the printers. Okay, while you will submit the order, place the order, you will get this type interface. Okay, so here is an order placed, dispatch, in transit and deliver. You have to not keep track on this green line. Okay, so it will not move ahead or ahead. Okay, your order will be delivered. Okay, even if it will not move forward. Okay, so you have to don't keep track on this green. Okay, means order placed then dispatched. Okay, many people are asking that our green line is not moving forward, dispatched. Okay, only order placed. Okay, so you have to not keep track on this. Okay, so here is an your prices will be shipped soon. Okay, this will also not get updated. Okay, directly you will get the swags delivered. Okay, so here is an orders, so you can find this. So at bottom you can see here your swags will be delivered within 10 to 12 weeks written here. Okay, so you will not get the swags delivered in 10 to 12 weeks. Okay, you will not get in this time span. Okay, you will require 3 months to get delivered. Okay, so in the premium milestone of 2024 season 2 I have placed the order on 9th January 2025. Okay, 25. Okay, and I have got the swags in the 2nd April 2025. So the minimum time span is between 3 months. Okay, after 3 months you will be get the swags delivered. Okay, so don't keep track on this green line, and you have to don't keep track of 10 to 12 weeks. It will be delivered in 3 months only. Okay, so you have to just wait and watch, and this line will be not get updated, and this will be also not get updated. So you have to wait for 3 months after placement. Okay, means after placing order. I have placed of the premium milestone in the 9th January, and I have get delivered order on the 2nd April. Okay, so you have to wait for 3 months. So if you want any updates, then you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get updated. Okay, notification. While my now season 1 2025 delivered after the when I get the delivery of this season, then season 1 of 2025 I will get give the notification on. Okay, and I will also upload the unboxing video. So so you have to stay connected with me. If you liked my video, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.